My name is Dr. Irfan Atcha, and we are new to Chicago dental implants and cosmetic dentistry. We've been in this location for 10 years, and we not only serve patients from Chicago and River North, but people fly from all over the country to come for their specialized services that they seek us out for.
You know, missing teeth, for me, it's embarrassing. It was, to me, a great feeling that I was going to be able to get my life back, actually.
I knew what I wanted because I had been through several offices, and they said if anybody that can do it, it's Dr. Atcha.
Patients love the process. Patients like the fact that we're on the cutting edge. But it's the people behind the technology that's going to make things happen. People with a can-do attitude to help the patient from point A to point B to really transform their lives.
It gives me inspiration to do things, to go out, to look good, to feel good. I love it. I smile. I just smile.
Every time I see a patient leaving the office, I feel a great satisfaction personally. And we change people's lives here.
It makes myself and my team feel great every single day because we're really helping so many patients at a deeper level. When they come to us, they know that we're providing them hope. We're providing them solution. And we're providing them something that they have lost, which is the ability to eat and smile again.